Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to improve your money situation right now. With everything that has been going on recently, I know a lot of people are struggling and they're not sure exactly what they should be focusing on, so I just wanted to do this video and kind of go back to the basics. And we really want to keep it very simple so we don't feel overwhelmed or feel like we need to make things complicated in order to have a better situation with our money to improve our finances. So I just want to break it down in 3 simple steps. So if you are ready to dive right in, then click that like button and we're going to get started. All right, the first thing that I want to talk about is actually believing that you can improve your money situation. If you are really stressed about your finances and paying bills or paying off debt or even just trying to grow your net worth, I want you to take a step back and really believe that you can do these things, that you can pay off your debt and you can increase your net worth, that you can start investing your money. Even though it might feel a little bit overwhelming right now, I just want you to take a deep breath and realize, yes, I can improve my money situation. Even though I may have had some recent setbacks or things didn't go the way I planned, I can still improve my money situation one step at a time. So we really want to make sure we have that positive mindset, that positive outlook, and that way we can actually start to see opportunities on how we can improve our money situation. If we're completely stuck in, oh, this will never turn around for me, or I will never be able to pay off my debt, then we won't because we don't actually believe that we can. So that's the first part to improving your money situation. Actually believe that you can improve your money situation and start changing that outlook right now, so that you can start to see opportunities and that you can start to see blessings and things that you can be grateful for. If you have a roof over your head, or if you're able to pay at least some of your bills, any little thing that you can be grateful for, focus on that. And once you do that, you'll start to see more and more things that you can be grateful for. So that's the first step in improving our money situation right now, is changing our mindset or changing our outlook to be more positive. And then the second step is to actually figure out where you are with your finances. And this might seem a little bit overwhelming, but you can just keep it really, really simple. So you can make a simple list, write it down if you want to, or you can get in a Google Sheet or an Excel spreadsheet and just start writing down, okay, I have this money coming in every 2 weeks or whatever it is. Maybe you have, a regular paycheck every 2 weeks, or you run your own business, so you get paid once a month from clients, or however money is coming in. Just write that down. And then write down all of your expenses that you need to pay each month so that you can have a clear picture on the money that's coming in and the money that is going out. And that way we can make sure we are spending less than we are making. That's critical to improving our money situation. We can't be spending more money than we are actually bringing in. So once we have that clear picture, we have all of our income written down and all of our expenses written down, then we can take our total income minus our total expenses and see what that balance is. And hopefully it's either 0 or a positive balance. And right after we do that, we want to take a look at those expenses and see what we're spending our money on and decide if that is really important, if that is a need, or if it is a want. So take a look at all of your expenses, any subscriptions that you might have, and decide, is this something that I really, really need, especially if you are not bringing in as much as you are spending. We really want to reduce our expenses as much as possible so that we can have extra income, or at least the same amount of income as our expenses. So really take a hard look at all of your expenses and really decide, okay, are these really important things to me? And especially take a look at your most expensive expenses, your highest expenses. That could be your car payment or your mortgage payment or just rent if you don't own a home, and decide, okay, is it really worth it to be spending this amount each month? Or can I rent a smaller place? Can I move into a smaller place? Or maybe I don't need this nice of a car right now. I could sell this car and buy something that's not quite as expensive. So take a look at those largest expenses first and decide if you can, reduce those, because that's going to make a huge difference. You'll be able to improve your money situation much faster if you are decreasing those highest expenses first. And, once you list out all of your expenses, look at the ones that are varying each month, your variable expenses, and decide, okay, can I reduce this amount somehow? Maybe it's your groceries that you're buying. Decide, okay, maybe I don't need to be buying this much food because I'm going out to eat more often than I really need to. Or maybe it's the going out budget that you need to reduce. So take a look at all of your expenses, and you can divide them into the variable expenses and the fixed expenses, and decide, okay, how can I reduce each of these expenses? And then take a look at your income and think of different ways that you can increase the income side. Maybe there's just a few things that you could sell right now that you're not using, and that can just give you a little boost for right now. Or maybe you can, start doing some of the food delivery services. Businesses are starting to open up again, and I've seen a lot of fast food restaurants that are hiring. And maybe you don't want to work fast food, but if you really want to improve your money situation, what are you willing to do in order to improve that money situation? Maybe it is working fast food for a few nights every week until you get your emergency fund funded. It's about what's really important to you. What's a priority to you? Can you sacrifice a couple nights a week doing a side hustle or some type of other business that's going to bring in income? And it doesn't have to be a permanent thing. It can just be until you improve your money situation. And this actually brings us to the third step. What is really important to you? What is your money goal right now? And how are you going to reach that goal? So is it just to build back up your emergency fund? Or is it actually to start investing your money? Or is it to pay off a certain amount of debt? Decide what that money goal is and focus on that money goal until you accomplish it, and then you can move to the next money goal. But have something that you're working toward, because that is going to make your financial situation so much better, and you can really improve your financial situation drastically and very quickly if you are excited about something that you are working toward, rather than just staying in that lack mindset or that scarcity mindset, thinking you'll never improve and you'll never increase your income or be able to invest. You can really switch that around if you are excited about a money goal. Maybe you want to pay off your car within 6 months or pay off your student loans in 2 years. Whatever it might be, set some sort of goal and put that in your budget, put that in your money plan, your spending plan, so that you can be really excited about your money situation and start to improve it, start to turn it around instead of getting discouraged. And just to give you an example, I set a money goal a while ago to pay off one of my mortgages, and I actually did that not that long ago, just a month or so ago. And if I honestly hadn't set that goal, there's no way I would have been able to pay off that mortgage as soon as I did. So set some sort of money goal you are really excited about. And maybe you need to set some smaller goals to begin with. Maybe it's just save $100 this month, or make an extra $100 this month. Whatever it is that's going to get you excited to start improving your money situation. And then you can set some larger goals. But I don't want you to feel overwhelmed and then not even work toward your goal. So set something that is going to excite you, that you're actually going to work toward, and you can continue to build up over time. So those are just 3 simple money steps that you can do right now to improve your money situation drastically and quickly. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share it with someone else who would like to hear this information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will really help me out, and we can get this content out to more people. And don't forget the little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. And if you are interested in getting 2 free stocks, Webull is doing a promotion right now. If you set up a free account and deposit at least $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. So I will leave my referral link below in the description, and you can click on that to get your 2 free stocks. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.